Blessed full moon, lovely people. I wanted to be able to draw some cards for us on this full moon. So let's jump straight in as I have my cards fanned out before me. Oh, beautiful. We have the High Priestess. So this is a time, definitely at the full moon, always a time to really connect and go inwards. Maybe do some of your witchy work. Maybe do some divination, looking ahead, being really reflective, focusing on some of that magical work that you might be being called to do. We also have the Ace of Wands. This is a time of new beginnings, of new growth. I feel a lot of Phoenix type energy at the moment. So this rebirthing energy. This is definitely about new opportunities, new ways to go, maybe new visions that you're having for the future that are coming through at this Scorpio full moon. And lastly, I have the Knight of Wands. So it is time to go off on an adventure, or maybe you're going to fall into an adventure, but it's definitely not time to be sitting still. So perhaps once you've done your magical work, you're going to really open things up for yourself. You're going to be plowing forward, moving ahead, having some fun, having some adventure, doing some of the things that you've been longing for and dreaming for. And the Knight of Wands is going to help bring that energy for you.